up? It's the King with another video. Today we are with Tommy. I've got no clue where he went.
What's up?
Now, on his new YouTube channel, Mr. Potato. Yep, guys. Anyway, so we have the stone. I had some more, but
And Tommy is gathering materials.
yes, I had some more, but I don't know what happened to it.
Should have enough materials, as you guys can see. I do not have wood.
Okay, guys. Yep. Like I said, I restarted my computer, and it is working now. Soon. I'm just getting some melons. Guys, I'm sorry for the technical difficulties. If you want to see some of the off-camera work I did, you watch Tommy's video.
Mommy?
Hey guys, sorry, my video just randomly got muted and I didn't realize it until just now. I'm sorry about that. But, I just died like you guys saw, and I'm really mad. We found the panda.
Parrot. Wait. Parrot.
I think we went this way, right?
If you want, I could do it.
Yeah, we went this way. I should be somewhere near here. Pretty annoyed right now, but I'm getting the panda so that if we see the panda again.
We have a big stack of.
Oh, yo, we just got 11 pieces. 12 pieces, guys. Hello, Mr. Fox. Okay, I don't think we need another. Now my stuff. I have no clue where I died. Okay. I didn't really have many valuables, so it's okay if I don't find my stuff. I just prefer to find my stuff, you know.
Yeah. If you want it.
Oh yes, guys, we were here. I don't know if you guys remember. I think this is where I did some mining, some off-camera mining. Actually, no, this wasn't it. Why is there so many vines here?
What?
Why is there so many vines
I mean,
here?
it is a jungle.
I'm like, yeah, but like there's so many just random vines. To be honest, guys, this is a lot bigger than I thought. We could. Also okay.
That's also okay.
Because I mean, I didn't. Oh, my best thing was a stone axe. So, I mean, like, I'm not really. I'm not in any situation. But I mean, like, I just sort of like my stuff.
I just sort of like it. I had an attraction to it.
I just want it back because it's like my stuff. Oh shoot! Like, can I just teleport me to you? Are you still in the jungle?
Yeah, wait, how do you chat? I mean,
Slash.
no, how do you pause it?
You hit slash.
No, how do you pause the game?
Oh,
Like,
escape. I'm on trees trying to find my stuff. Okay, I can't sprint anymore.
this this is actually, we're not cheating here. It's
Yeah.
it's a new thing, Minecraft. See, it's called friendly fire. And
What's that, guys? Watermelon.
what?
Thank you. I'm about to eat some watermelon.
What the heck? My parrot.
Your parrot's fine.
I know. But there's no way. Thank you, pardon.
I'm going to find the panda. The slap was necessary. It's called friendly fire. Shoot, bro. No. Stay back.
Let's see what you get.
My mouse just doesn't want to play.
That's what the Oh, I see that zombie. Do you want me to kill it for you? I saw the zombie.
What the heck? Can you just teleport me to you, please?
Yep. No more hitting me then, right?
Okay. Thank you. Ow.
No.
Where's my stuff? Did you take all my stuff?
I have no idea.
You take my bamboo, because if you did, I don't care, because I found.
I don't need bamboo.
Okay.
You gosh darn fricker. I am actually fine.
I think I got 12 more pieces.
I dig plant yourselves. Right.
Doing some seeds in case I find a parrot and I want to tame it.
Yeah.
Whatever animal I find first, either a parrot or
I like parrots because they sit down. It also
Or
reminds
panda.
me of
Ooh, that sucks.
what?
So your bird died.
But
It was a while ago, so he's over it.
it's a sacrifice that we're making with 2 all gods need sacrifices.
Sure.
I'll be back. I'll be off at a village here sometime, right?
A parrot or a panda, whichever one I see first.
I'll be back.
Oh, yo, what the heck?
What?
What is this?
Wait, can you stay around?
Am I just a noob or something? Or what is that?
What?
Tower. Oh no, it's a village.
Yeah. Wait, can you stay at the
Wait, I found no, but I'm at a cobblestone village.
Oh yeah, me too.
Oh, you have to.
That's the one I'm.
Hello, chicken. Oh, sick, there's a cat. I don't like cats. Dog person. Guys, you are a cat person. Put it in the comments.
Oh, this village is huge. I might just
Yeah, I'm going in the bog area now. I'm not gonna find a panda or a parrot over there.
village. You can't find no cameras here.
Oh, I found some more melons though.
Oh my god, it's
That's what they do.
Ethan, go sleep in the village bed, alright?
I'm not in the village anymore.
Ethan, we need beds. You gosh darn freaking.
You see, guys, technically,
I heard that, you know.
what? Technically, you can't tame a panda, but you can.
You can't leave it home.
You can just give it a bunch of bamboo so it loves you.
No, that's not how it works.
What? Yeah, it is. Haha.
Are you teaching me to you?
No, because I don't do command.
Ethan!
I'm not. I can't tell me. I'm not an operator.
Alright, I'm gonna teleport myself.
Well, I'm not my manager. It's not my fault. I was trying to mine the watermelon.
No, you're like 1 else to me or where I died.
So right there.
Yeah, died over here. to a creeper.
Imagine.
Creeper. Aw, man. Imagine not being an OG.
Mm-hmm.
Couldn't be me. Ethan.
Well, I'm an OG. I remember back when days when you placed a bed and it was always red. I'm an OG. Like, you placed a bed, who cares what color ball you used? It was red.
Also, that one is a true.
Yeah, I'm good with melons. Should I get, it would have said in the chat. Nope, just Tommy was blown up by a creeper. Did not say that you parrot
I
was.
can't find my pig.
You mother.
This village is so
Good.
yeah.
I don't Okay, guys, Tommy is right now going back, so I will continue. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to comment on my video and unsubscribe from Tommy because, oh shoot, though. Oh, why are there so many creepers, and why can't I find a parrot? Oh, yo, guys! Guys, there's an ocean, not an ocean, a jungle monument, bro. I didn't know those were still in the game. I haven't found one of those in forever. Guys, well, we will be definitely checking that out. I found the jungle monument. See, look.
You mean a jungle temple?
Jungle temple. Bro, I haven't found one of those in so long, bro.
Can you guys drive me home?
Maybe. 5:45?
4:45.
4:45?
Yeah, because I have to.
Okay, sure. Oh, that's my dad.
Oh, I found a brewery. I have to break it.
Guys, and if,
Materials.
you guys, and if you guys have a game you want to see us play, like, I don't know, any game, like Battlefront or like COD or something like that, we would be happy to play it. So, if you want the game, just put it in the comments. And we will be playing that game. If you guys made a Roblox or Minecraft like game, tell us in the comments. We will play it and give you a shout out. I'll play it halfway.
I will play.
Oh shoot, bro, I'm in Mob City right now. There's a zombie, a creeper, all chasing me.
But I'm literally dreamed.
No, you're not. Bro, another spider and creeper.
Do not insult dreams.
I'm not. Tommy, saying your dream is an insult to dream. Bro, why? No, there's too many creepers! The creepers just blew up behind me and I think they killed all the mobs. Oh no, there's still a spider.
Why?
Stay back, you hostile, you non-hostile beast.
There's no beds, which means there are no villagers.
Shoot, bro. Skelly. How come like, when you have a shield, skeletons can't hit you? But when you don't have a shield, it's 100%. Why? I know it's not me experiencing this problem. That is sad. Oh no! Oh, he just sniped me from all the way back there. I'm getting sniped by a skeleton. Really? Can't be sniped by a spider.
I was about to win, but he hit.
Oh. If you're next to like a cliff, if you're next to a cliff and you give a panda and you knock off a panda and it has a baby, the baby panda will roll off the cliff. Yeah, pandas will roll off cliffs. Here, why can't I find any pandas or anything? You guys, where the heck are you? No, why? I hate this. I don't have any weapons. Oh no, here comes Creeper. Just running through the jungle. Oh shoot, why is there so many creepers? And this is running around with Ethan.
Welcome to. Wait, will you ask your parents for the
Yeah, I'll go ask them right now.
If not, ask them.
Okay, I'll go ask them right now and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I was looking off camera because I thought it would be boring. And I've been searching for like 10 minutes on camera, 5 minutes. And I found the panda. Or parrot. Forever, guys.
Kind of sad life.
I'm on to like my 5th round of melon. I found so many ocelots. Let's walk home. Like if I find a panda. I don't think they can teleport.
Wait, I found a panda.
Where?
Just kidding.
I'm gonna kill you.
I don't know.
If you do find a panda parrot, keep me.
People.
Oh, I thought it was just that.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong in the native land. How do I find so many ocelots, but I can't find a panda or a parrot?
Mine is large.
Oh no! Yes!
No. That's all I hear from you. I'm like,
Yay!
did you find one?
Yes! He's a big boy. Oh.
It's gonna get fatter if you keep eating. It's gonna reproduce asexually.
Good to know.
Not inappropriate. Sorry.
No, I think I just muted. Okay guys, finally I found the panda and he's adorable. I'm sorry if I was just muted, but I found the panda.
The panda's gonna reproduce asexually.
He's really cute. We're gonna have him sit.
Oh, let's go. Finally, I reached above the tree. Alright. Do you think this would be a good place to put the house? Alright,
Sorry. No, the hell, yo, why are you attacking me? I be feeding you. Okay, Tommy, where's your cords? You still want to attack me? Are you still mad at me? Okay. Turn on coordinates. Turn on coordinates.
Alright.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I can answer this way. Come on, panda. Wow, you are really slow. I wish there's like Pokeballs and I could just.
No, Ethan, that'd just be kind of dumb. Dude.
No, but what if I could like put him in a Pokeball?
54, 81, 331.
Oh, parrot!
Ethan! Do you even have what it takes for a parrot?
No, parrot, come back. I have seeds for you. Parrot! No, yes. 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 Come to me, my parrot. Come to me. And we will be friends. And I won't let you be blown up by a creeper like Tommy did.
No, but it didn't say in the chat that it got blown up. Maybe he just got lost and the lost child left the promised land. The promised Neverland.
Yeah, he loved me.
First try.
No. Fourth.
And the fourth kick stove. I should not have said that.
Sit on me. Yeah, where'd he just go? Oh, I think he's on my shoulder. No, not a creeper.
I keep hearing those sounds, right? Was it a creeper?
No, because I didn't see a creeper.
I know.
Okay, come on, buddy.
Oh, I see a panda.
Sick. Wait, really? Wait, if you teleport with a parrot on your shoulder, do they stay on your shoulder?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
How do you know? When?
Panda. Panda, Ethan. Panda.
I see it. I have a panda though.
That means my hopes and dreams of becoming the finest child ever. Have you ever dropped a diamond pickaxe into a pit of lava and it got enchanted?
No.
Oh damn, I have. Imagine not having your diamond pickaxe enchanted by lava. It sounds like one of those like cringy YouTube titles. Today we enchanted diamond pickaxes with lava.
Yeah, where did my panda go? Panda?
It has left the game.
Aha, I found it.
It left the world.
Come on, panda. It's just really slow. Big chungus. No,
Big
parrot, why'd you get off my shoulder? You still love me, right?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah. Hey, come on, parrot.
You stop the panda.
No. Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Alright, yeah, as you can see, we do like 360.
He like just disappears.
Will you come? Like, please, I need help with the house.
See, looks like he disappeared, but really he's just on my shoulder.
And I almost need to go. Yeah, I have 1 more minute. Please, just hurry up.
I'm trying, Tommy. You can't move fast with a panda. Panda!
Well, then just kill the panda. There's a panda back at home.
I know, but if I... fine, I'll abandon the panda. Attack him! Panda! Be useful!
I can hear spiders.
Yeah, I know. I was attacked by a spider. Okay, come on, parrot. Parrot, get on me. Parrot. Get on me. There we go. Okay, come on, buddy. Just I'm coming over. Oh, I see you. Oh, actually, I was not very far away. Oh, where was the panda you saw? So I'm going back for my panda.
Did you hear?
No, he's usually right here. I didn't realize how close I was here. He's literally right here. Okay, come on, panda. You're pretty cute, you know. I like you. When we get back, we'll give you another piece of bamboo.
Yeah,
Where's my parrot? Oh, he's right here.
Gone.
I just heard a creeper, but I don't see one.
I know. What you hate when you hear a creeper and you just...
Okay, hon, you got. It doesn't take 15 minutes to get to your house, though.
No, because I also have to hop on with you. Who cares? Oh, I think we're next to a ravine.
Okay, should we go then? Hey guys.
No, how about 550?
Okay. That is all for today.
For Ethan.
And yours.
No, wait, no, 550.
Okay. Well then, guys, I think that's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna end soon.
Yeah,
Next week we will be exploring the the jungle temple. And I guess you guys have to just come for that.
Alright, I'm keeping please.
Okay.
Wait, is that my parrot? My parrot went back to spawn with me.
Really?
Yeah, when I died.
Oh, sick.
No, my
Okay, guys, here's my panda. It's right here. I'm just gonna mine up some dirt and trap him. Okay, we're just gonna go
Can we
away.
make a new song called a new band called the Skeletal Creepers? You're still on me, right? No, buddy. Buddy? Crush. I'll protect you. I don't care if I die for that parrot. I will do it. I kill spiders. Can I be a professional spider killer?
I don't think it's a job.
Anybody want to hire me? And there's a fox that's sitting down. Hi, creeper. I don't want to see you again. Will you guys stop watching us if we make it day? Ethan, can we make it day, please?
No.
Or at least stop the rain. Or no? Should we play normally?
Play normally, obviously.
No, I wish I could kill the rain.
I'm bribing my panda to stay put.
Ah, buddy. I will stop anything. Ah! Stupid zombies. You don't know what life means. You don't know what living means.
I mean, like, technically, because they're dead.
Oh, this zombie has an iron sword. I don't want to get hit by you. Just drop the sword. That's all I request.
Well, this panda can really eat.
Zombie food so cool. Just die already. I just punched the zombie to death. I feel so
Not a very big accomplishment, but okay.
They can kill the undead.
Yes, I did.
How do you know?
So, guys, that's gonna be it for today. It is now. It's almost 4:50. Okay, guys. Yeah, you can make them sit with seeds. Wait, you gotta be.
What?
You just sat down, my panda.
Yeah. Any animal can sit.
Haha, I trapped him. Okay, guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you guys so much.
That's him.
And, see you guys next time. King Penguin, out.